sock puppet, you will need a pair of scissors, a ruler to help measure your card or cardboard, some wool in a colour of your choice, a small piece of card or cardboard. I've used pink, 6 by 6 centimetres, 12 centimetre by 8 centimetre piece of cardboard, some glue, a pencil to help measure. I've got 3 buttons to help decorate, but you can choose your decorations. 2 pom-poms, 2 googly eyes, a piece of pink felt for the tongue, and of course, your lovely sock. Firstly, put your sock over your hand and pull inside out. Then, measure with your ruler and a pencil a 6 by 6 centimetre square and cut out. Pop on some glue and glue to the end of your sock securely. Make sure it's glued tightly so it doesn't move. Then pop your hand back in, grab the 2 ends and pull back through, and you can see this is your mouth, the puppet's mouth. When you're happy, place the sock down with the heel facing upwards. Put some glue onto the pom-poms and then glue the googly eyes to the pom-poms. Like so. Then, pop your hand into the sock just to experiment and see where you'd like to put your eyes. See where would look best. And when you're happy, put 2 blobs of glue onto the sock and put the pom-poms onto the sock. And there you have your eyes, the puppet's eyes. Then or measure, if you haven't got it already, measure a piece of cardboard 12 centimetres by 8 centimetres, cut out and then use as a base to wrap around your wool. Now keep wrapping your wool around. This is going to be your hair. So when you're happy that the wool is thick enough to make a nice bit of wild or funky hair, then you can stop. And with your scissors then, you can cut off the end of the wool and take that off the cardboard, pull the end of the wool around the wool to make a bow shape. Now you can leave the shape like that as a bow, or like me in the video, I've put my finger through the holes and I'm going to cut the ends to make some spiky, funky hair. And you can play around with this. You can pull some out. You can make it all funky and messy. Or you can make it pretty and add a bow. You can do anything you want to the hair. And when you're happy, place some glue on the sock and glue the hair securely into place. This would look quite cool with a clip, or you can make a little hat. There we go. Put your hand into the sock, and there's your puppet. And now you can add extra decorations to make your puppet into a character. So I am going to use buttons, so the puppet looks like he's going to wear a shirt. But again, you can decorate it how you wish. You can cut out some shapes that make it look like a jacket. You could use a pipe cleaner for a scarf. You can decorate however you wish. So here are my 3 buttons. I've just used these because this is what I have in the house, but you can use anything. And glue securely into place. And then, I think the mouth is missing a lovely tongue. So with your felt, red or pink, I am going to cut a tongue shape. I'm just guessing here really the size, but you can always trim or adjust the size afterwards. I'm happy with the size. So inside the sock there, in the mouth, I'm going to put a strip or a line of glue, and then the felt will stick to the back of the glue and stick securely in place. And there is my puppet's little tongue. Oh, and the eye has fallen off. We'll just glue that back on. The pom-poms can be a little fiddly, so they might need extra glue. And I think I'm happy with the puppet. And you can add as little or as much decoration as you want. You could add a moustache or some teeth. And there you have your sock puppet. Oh, bye-bye eye. There we go, more glue. Thank you for watching. Have fun.